Hey everyone, Tim from Booth.Events here. We've launched some more features, and one of them is something that Fiesta users have been asking us for a lot, so I wanted to quickly show that off in a short video. So here I've got an event that I've already done, and like usual, when I go to the gallery, I have it password protected because I don't want just anyone on the internet with a link to be able to see these photos. Okay, great. But I also want to email all of this gallery to the person who asked me to do the event, and I don't want them to have to worry about the passcode. So we've built this new feature, email gallery download link. You can see it on the right there. And when I click that, I can type in the email address like this. And you can see it says anyone's going to be able to download the gallery with this link. So if I hit send and I get the email, it looks like this. You can customize the content of this email on your account page under sharing settings. And now for the real demo, once the person's received the email and they click the big button, it's going to open that gallery. It's not going to ask for the passcode, and it's going to bring them straight to where they can download the zip file of the entire gallery. That's it. I hope this feature makes it really easy for you to send your galleries to your clients. And please join the Booth.Events community page. That's our Facebook group. Please join the Booth.Events community group so that we can keep getting your feedback and keep making these features that you want.